Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the management quota seats in Tamil Nadu, and we are going to see whether there is a way to find out a particular candidate have any chances to get management quota seat or not. I get regular questions on management quota like this. My mark is 458. Can I wait for management quota? Or like this, any chance in management quota for Tamil Nadu 2120 rank? 443. Can I wait for Tamil Nadu management quota? My score is 421. Is there any possibility to get a management quota? I scored 446. Can I get a seat in management quota? All these questions are very, very similar. These people are very confused because they may not be able to get a government quota seat. So they are confused. Should they go for management quota? Should they go for deemed universities? Should they go for BDS? What exactly do they do for this year? So that I can understand the confusion. But unfortunately, it's very, very difficult to predict the cutoff for management quota, because the management quota not only includes Tamil Nadu candidates, it also includes candidates from other states. So we have no idea who have applied, who will participate in the counseling. So it's extremely difficult to predict. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to present the cutoff of 2019. In fact, I have done a video earlier on that, but in that particular video, I have just shown the NEET marks as the cutoff. Using the NEET marks is not easy to compare 2 years. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share the state general rank which fetched a seat in management quota last year. So let me show that and then we will discuss a little bit again. So 2019 final cutoff, this is the final cutoff, not the round one cutoff. Okay. So I'm going to show you the college and the state general rank, that is the management quota rank, which was able to fetch a seat in that particular college. CMC Vellore, the general rank 2501. Okay. Now I want you to look at it with much more interest. CMC Vellore. This 2501 general rank is slightly a misleading number. Okay, the first round cutoff for CMC Vellore, you look at in 2019, the first round cutoff was general rank 45. Okay, by 45 ranks, all the seats has been taken up. That is the 12 open category seats in CMC Vellore had been taken up by general rank 45. Now, how come it became 2501? After round one, there was one vacancy. One candidate had left the seat and one vacancy arose. And for some strange reasons, nobody from general rank 45 until 2501, nobody has taken, right, from general rank 46 to 2500, nobody has taken a seat. I do not know what has happened during the counseling, but this person with 2501 rank was lucky enough to get a seat, even though his rank was very, very low. So that's why when many people ask me, should I attend the counseling? Is there any meaning of attending the counseling? My rank is 900. Should I attend the counseling? My rank is 20. Should I attend the counseling? Or some people, minority network ranking, they say my rank is 6. Should I come for counseling? My answer to all of them used to be like, I do not know. You only have to take a call. You decide if you think this seat is important, come to the counseling. If this seat is not so important for you, don't come for the counseling. If you have already got a good seat, you have a college somewhere else, then you do not need to worry much about it. But if you are desperate, if CMC Vellore is your dream college, then make a visit to Chennai. Yes, I know it's troublesome. It's a spot counseling, offline counseling, but if you are really serious, you should give it a try. I'm sure it will not happen again from 45 to 2501. I'm sure it's not going to happen this year, but who knows, right? So there is always something unpredictable in counseling. So that's what I repeatedly tell people, you should give it a try. People always ask, will I get this? Question itself has no meaning. Who am I to tell you you will not get the seat? I can only tell maybe, estimated, predicted, but the final call you have to take. Okay, again, all these data I'm presenting only for you to take a decision, but it doesn't mean anybody below this rank will not get a seat. Okay, PSG Coimbatore. Last year, the general rank was 3292. Will it be the same this year? Will it be lesser? Will it be 1000? Will it be 2000? Will it be 5000? I have no idea. Last year, it was 3292. I'm just giving you as a guideline. KMCH Coimbatore last year 3645. Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti general rank 4803. Velamal Madurai general rank 4942. Karpaga Vinayaka 5369. Sri Mugambigai 5400. Tiruchi SRM 5423. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 5427. Tagore Chennai 5514. Annapurna Salem 6774. Mada Chennai 8923. Sri Muthukumaran 9521. Now this college is not part of the counseling yet. This is not part of the round one counseling in government quota. Whether it will be added to the second round, whether it will come back and complete admission this year, I have no idea. Last year also it was not part of round one, but finally based on a high court verdict, it has been added to the final round. It came very, very late with just 2-3 days left for the counseling window to close. Muthukumaran was added. It may be added this year, it may not be added. And Karpagam, last year they offered only minority seats. There were no seats offered under the general management. So Karpagam, there is no rank because there are no seats that had been taken under the general management. And finally, this year we have two new colleges, Indra Medical College and Panimalar Medical College in Chennai. These two colleges comes new this year. So let's consider, let's say that Sri Muthukumaran doesn't get into the counseling. Hopefully that will be offset by the additional seats that comes through Indra and Panimalar. And also we are still expecting the 100 additional seats from PSG. So more or less the number of seats will be very similar to last year. Once again, Panimalar, we do not know whether they are going to offer the seats under minority category or they are going to offer the seats under general management, or they are going to split some seats under general management, some seats under minority quota. So the numbers are slightly, again, unpredictable. What seats will be offered under general management, what seats will be offered under minority. There are many minority colleges in Tamil Nadu. Now I put a question mark again, Muthukumaran, because we are not sure whether it will be added, right? So looking at this, even if we don't consider Muthukumaran, we are looking at like somewhere like general rank 9,000. If the trend stays like last year, then we are looking at somewhere like general rank 9,000. Now, if you look at general rank 9,000, this year, if you look at the NEET marks, equivalent marks for general rank 9,000 is almost like 300 marks. So will a person with 300 marks get a seat under management quota in MBBS? Maybe possible. I'm not sure. I need to wait and see, but that could be a possibility. If last year trend is any indication, that could be possible. So should you wait? You take a call. Again, I'm saying I cannot tell you wait for it. You have to take a call. It may be possible. It may not be possible. Nobody knows. Finally, I'm going to talk about the minority category, Telugu minority. Tiruchi SRM general rank 8390, Karpagam 15,722, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 16,265, Annapurna Salem 18,482. Now this year we don't even have 15,000 applicants. Even the applicants is less than 15,000. So if you are a Telugu minority and if you belong to Tamil Nadu, these minority seats are available only for Tamil Nadu residents. If you are a Tamil Nadu resident and if you are a Telugu minority, it seems that anyone who has applied may be able to get a seat. I'm not sure. Again, I'm saying I'm not sure, but there is all a possibility. Anyone who has applied may be able to get a seat. Still, we don't have the Telugu minority list, separate list has not been released, but maybe a possibility. Similarly, Malayalam minority, Sri Moogambigai, last year, the general rank was 21,555. In fact, at the end of round one, if I'm not wrong, there were 4 seats unfilled for Malayalam minority. That means we didn't even have enough candidates. If 21,555 is any indication, this year also we may end up with unfilled seats. So unfilled seats, what will happen? It will go back to the general management category. Now, these are the general ranks based on 2019. Now you look at this rank, look at your rank, see what is your marks, and then you take a decision whether you want to wait. It may go up this year, I have no idea. Based on last year, it seems 300 marks. This year, it may end up at 400 marks. It may end up at 280. All these are possible. So nobody can predict accurately, but you can take a risk looking at last year rank. So thank you. I hope this information is useful to make some decisions. I see you in some other videos soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.